This is all good, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamika. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare pumpkin rice. As you all know, it is fall and it is pumpkin season, so we have pumpkin in abundance. So I have approximately 1 pound of pumpkin here. The seed was already removed, so I'm going to dice it. I'm going to peel it and dice it. I won't be using the skin. Feel free to use the skin if you want. Oh, don't mind me and my absence of cutting board. So I'm dicing them in some water. I'll be using this water to rinse it off. Remember to wash your products before using them to remove any germs. So the smaller you dice them, the quicker it will cook. So I'm dicing them into small cubes. I'll be using scallion, thyme, and sweet pepper to season the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the seed from the piece of sweet pepper or bell pepper that I'll be using, and I'm going to cut it into slices or julienne. So I'm going to rinse them, drain off the water, and add it to the pot. The water is hot. So I'm adding half tablespoon of salt. And a piece of butter. And I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil for 5 minutes. Approximately 4 cups of white rice. It's already washed. Remember to wash your rice to remove any excess starch or germs that was picked up from handling in factories or in stores if you buy retail rice. Give it a good stir. Cover and leave to cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how fast your stove is. Put it on maximum heat. You'll check after 10 minutes. At that point, you'll reduce the heat and cover with a plastic bag or foil paper, whatever you want to use, and leave it to steam.